Have you ever wondered if the battery cabinet catches fire or float? Well, Tycorun didn't just think about charging. They also designed the cabinet to protect itself and everything around it. Inside the cabinet, this special material helps to resist high heat and slow down fire spread. This is just part of the way it protects itself. This special material is present across the entire interior of the cabinet. And if the system detects unusual temperature or smoke, the cabinet immediately raises an alarm and automatically shuts down her to keep the batteries and users safe. What if there is flooding? The cabinet also has a water sensor. Once water is detected, it protects the batteries and stops operation safely. So, whether there is fire or water, the cabinet has been designed to keep everyone around it safe. Don't forget to subscribe for more infos on the cabinet, and thanks for watching.